Today I will be showing you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Now as it's mixed up, first you have to create the daisy. So you have to have the yellow in the middle and you put the whites on the sides over here. Then when you make this, you make sure on the bottom it has to be a line down and they have to be two colors. You turn it all the way to the bottom and you do it with every side. Then you flip it and you see you've created white cross. And you flip it like this to find whites. And whatever color it's on the side, you go upside down. See white and then green. So we find the green where there's half of a Y. Upside down. Then you see there's a blue and a white. You bring it so there's a blue here. Upside down. Orange. Bring it to the oranges and you bring it down. Now you have these. Now to the next step. You find an orange on top, then you see what's on top of it, and if you have a green here, you look to the color where it has it, and so there's a green here, so it goes away from it, and then you go like this, flip it, and then bring it back. Now the white side is still solved, and the green and orange sides, they added. Now you find another color like green and red. You put it away from the red, that's over here, up, side, down, and you finish the white side. And you do this for every color until it's all solved, this whole row. So you keep doing this and doing this until you find it. There. Now that all sides over here is solved, 2 layers, and the white side is still solved, move on to here. So if you have this dot, an L, a line, or a cross, you may have different things. As you see, I have a dot. So you go like this. Now I have the L. Make sure it's facing you like this, upside down, and you do the same moves again. Now you have a line, make sure you put it to the side and do it again. Now you finally have the yellow cross. Now you have to solve these things, so there could be one here and one here. So you find where there's 2 of them. I see there's one here and one here. So you put these to the side and go like this. Now that you have it here and here, you go like this. Then you do it again. And you have all of them here. Now that you have that, you find one where it has all the colors, yellow, orange, and green. So you do this. Now that you have these 2, once you find them, you go down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right. Now you see it's solved, you put this to the side, down, left, up, right. down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, and you do it until it's solved. And there you have it. We solved Rubik's Cube.